Molefe namhlanje uhlinzeke iKhomishana ngobufakazi athi unabo obuthi umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa wakwaba ngusihlalo emayini yamalahle iOptimum.
Mr. Saleem pointed out that Mr. Efron disputes this and says that Mr. Ramaphosa was never chairman of Optimum.
Yes.
But last night I was able to print a SENS announcement from Optimum, which is a JSE announcement when listed companies make changes.
Lo fakazi uthi akulona iqiniso ukuthi wesula njengesikhulu esiphezulu eEskom kodwa wathatha umhlala phansi.
I had actually never resigned. I never put in a resignation letter. I just said I would like to apply for early retirement. I was under the impression that it was possible to do so.
Ube esehlinzeka iKhomishana ngeseluleko acabanga ukuthi singayisebenzela iKhomishana.
If there is an interest in the amount of detail that was required and the amount of detail that was submitted, because there's been evidence here that meetings were held every Friday morning at 7 o'clock. And in those meetings, ESCOM officials were required to submit reports. Perhaps the investigating team can go to ESCOM and ask for those reports.
Molefe uthi akamazi kwakumazi nokuthi unjani uSaleem Essa akakaze ahlangane nanaye.
I don't know Mr. Saleem Essa.
Yes.
And I've never met him.
Yes, yes.
I don't even know what he looks like.
Izolo Molefe udalule ukuthi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa wayeyivikela emayini yamalahle iOptimum ngoba wayinamashare khona ngenkathi eseyiphine likaMengameli weANC. Watshela iKhomishana ukuthi isifiso sakhe ukuthi linganyathelwa ngezinyawo uDouble umengameli uRamaphosa kanye nemayini iOptimum. Le mayini yamalahle yagcina ithengwa ngumndeni wakwaGupta. Usihlalo weKhomishana umqinisekisile Molefe ukuthi naye umengameli uRamaphosa uzobizwa azoziphendulela kulesi sigcawu. Isigcawu siyaqhubeka. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba zeSABC.